Hey there, fellow students. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips on finance, investing, and everything in between. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you smart and savvy students out there. We know college life can be a whirlwind, and managing your finances is no easy feat. But fear not. We've got your back with the top 5 best credit cards tailor-made for students in 2023. So, if you're ready to take your financial game to the next level, smash that like button and let's dive right in. The Brainy Banker Card. Kicking off our list is the Brainy Banker Card, the perfect choice for students who love to crunch numbers while earning rewards. This card comes packed with exciting cashback offers on everyday essentials like textbooks, stationery, and even coffee runs. Plus, it's got a low APR, so you can keep those interest rates in check while building your credit score. Who said you can't be smart and save some cash, right? The Wanderlust Warrior Card. Next up, we've got the Wanderlust Warrior Card, specially crafted for students bitten by the travel bug. With this gem in your wallet, you'll earn travel points faster than you can say jet set. Imagine exploring new places while getting rewarded for it. Not to mention, you'll enjoy travel insurance coverage and other perks that will keep you protected on your globetrotting adventures. So, whether you're backpacking across Europe or chilling on a tropical beach, this card is your ticket to endless adventures. The Savvy Scholar Card. Now, let's talk about the Savvy Scholar Card, designed for students who know that responsible spending is the key to success. This card offers a unique feature that increases your credit limit as you maintain good financial habits. It's like a reward for being money savvy. Plus, the Savvy Scholar Card provides access to exclusive financial workshops and resources to help you ace your money management skills. Who said being financially responsible can't be fun? The Tech Titan Card. For all the tech enthusiasts out there, we've got the Tech Titan Card. This card is a gadget lover's dream come true. Earn jaw-dropping discounts on the latest tech gadgets and gizmos. From smartphones to laptops, this card ensures you stay ahead of the curve while saving some serious cash. And guess what? There's no annual fee. It's like having your personal tech upgrade fund at your fingertips. The Globetrotter Card. Last but certainly not least, we have the Globetrotter Card, perfect for students with a taste for luxury. This premium card offers exclusive access to airport lounges, concierge services, and VIP treatment wherever you go. Plus, you'll earn luxurious rewards and cashback on high-end purchases. It's the ultimate card for the discerning student who wants to embrace the finer things in life. There you have it, the top 5 best credit cards for students in 2023. From the Brainy Banker to the Globetrotter, there's a card that suits every student's unique needs and lifestyle. Remember, a credit card is not just a piece of plastic, it's a powerful tool that can shape your financial future. So, choose wisely and use it responsibly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future finance and investing content. Also, let us know in the comments which card caught your eye or if you already have a favorite credit card for students. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and making smart financial moves. This is Angelina, signing off. Stay awesome, rock it.